It was March 18th, 2017 that I made my first YouTube video. And I'm really glad I did. I'm glad I started doing this YouTube thing. The channel hasn't in any way, shape, or form been what anyone would call a success. A year later and 135 subscribers, no. That's probably not what any of us are looking for. But I enjoy making the videos. I would rather make a video than do a crossword puzzle, and it sort of reminds me of it in a little bit, in a way. But I have some good steady subscribers, and they comment, and we have a little bit of back and forth, and some of these people have almost, I've gotten friendly with them, I would say, because the YouTube comment section is almost like a little pen pal thing, sort of. But anyway, I'm not going to do the things that the YouTube experts tell you to do, which is, you know, have a channel about one subject. I don't do just one thing. It's not going to be a fishing channel or a hiking channel or go to the movies channel, because I do all those things, and I will continue to do cooking videos, self-help videos, fishing videos, hiking videos, and all that stuff. So it's just a fair warning that everything's going to remain the same, and for those of you that have stuck with me, I appreciate it, and thank you very much.